Model, 64-plate Peugeot Boxer Relay 335 professional L3h2hdi runs and drives excellent. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 150350. MOT, the 19th of November 2025. Engine, 2198 cc4 Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 4 former keepers, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description.